Hey Lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a Five Below haul for you guys and a few little things that I picked up from Amazon that I thought I'd share with you just because I thought they were cute and I thought maybe you'd enjoy them. So, it's haul day! So we're going to get the typical YouTuber intro out of the way. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the little bell so that you get notifications of when I upload new videos. I would love to have you be a Lovie Subbie. I do all kinds of fun things here. You and I can be BFFs for life if you just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Really and truly, it's free, it doesn't cost anything, and you get to be a part of the Do What You Love Lovey tribe and be involved in all of the fun things that I do here. I upload a minimum of 3 times a week, sometimes more, and I try to do all kinds of fun things. So, now that we got the total, typical YouTube intro out of the way, we can go on with the haul. So I know, according to all you youngins on here, I am way past the TikTok age to be watching TikTok, but TikTok has totally taken over my life. I don't go to bed till 3 o'clock in the morning because I have to watch at least 3 hours of TikTok before I go to bed. But who understands that when you put TikTok on, you're like, oh, it's only 11:30. I'll watch 45 minutes of this and then it's 3 o'clock. Does anybody else have that happen? It sucks you into this wormhole. I'm getting totally off topic. I might as well just shut up. So anyways, the point of me saying all of that is that in my adventures on TikTok, I saw some really cute things that I wanted to get from Five Below, inspired by TikTok, because if any of you guys have been with me for any length of time, I've done a few hauls in my bedroom, and my bedroom is completely bare, disgusting, and gross. We've been here for a year, and I've done absolutely nothing with my bedroom, and I'm it's making me depressed. Maybe that's why I'm on TikTok for 3 hours before I can even go to sleep, because my room makes me depressed. So I want to bring some life and color and newness to my room. And you guys are all invited into the journey where I'm going to buy new curtains and bedspread and stuff and just do up my room. So the first step to that is taking a trip to Five Below. Hence the haul. And of course, while I was there trying to find the things that I saw on TikTok, I saw a whole bunch of other things, and I'm going to show it all to you today. So that was a big mouthful. I'm just going to shut up. I'm rambling. So my first TikTok inspired purchase is this little guy. So these are the cloud lights with the stand. So what I saw on TikTok, which is a total TikTok, I'm taking it from, it's not my idea. What they did is, of course, they show on the box these are supposed to be set on a dresser or something, but what I saw on TikTok is they took 3M tape, double-sided tape. 3M tape is what I believe it's called, and they stuck it to the base and then put it on the wall. And you don't have to worry about it ruining your wall or anything like that because it's the 3M tape like you use on command strips is basically what I'm trying to say. So I found the cloud and I found the moon and the cloud, which are very appropriate for a bedroom, and I really, really like these. In the TikTok video that I saw this on, she had a neon heart as well. I personally couldn't find the heart. Sorry guys, my bag's on the floor. I couldn't find the heart, but I did find this one, and this one says hello, which I thought was really, really cute too, and I like the white. I think this is going to look really, really nice. I think the moon is white too. Yeah. So I liked the hello as well. So I got the hello, the moon, and the cloud. I didn't find the heart. The heart was really cute, but I didn't see it. So those are my TikTok inspired purchases for my bedroom. Then I also picked up one of these, which I thought was really, really nice. I do a lot of vlogging type videos in my car, as you guys probably noticed. And the little thing that I bought originally from Five Below, what I've noticed, because it's suction cups to your window, if my car on the inside is warm and the outside's cold, it won't hold the suction. So this goes on your dash, and it's supposed to hold your phone. So we're going to give this little bad boy a try. Now, this is part of their new things where they raise the prices. TikTok raised, oh my God, I have TikTok on the freaking brain. I'm surprised I don't stop and just do Renegade right here, right? Sorry, guys. Sorry. Anyways, what was I saying? Totally, TikTok has destroyed my brain. So anyways, this is supposed to go on your dash. Oh, this was part of the new thing. I mentioned this before. Five Below has raised their prices on all of their certain toys and certain electronics. So this wasn't $5, it was $6. That isn't too bad, but I think $6 for this isn't too bad of a price as long as it says it does what it says it's going to do. We'll see. So, moving on. Walking season is among us, which, if you've been one of my lovies, which that's why you totally should subscribe and be one of my lovies so that we can have like inside jokes and things like that while we're watching videos. I'm a big walker Yeah, I'm a walker. Yeah. I love to walk when the weather is appropriate. And when I walk, I always wear ball caps because it protects my face and I don't get sunburned and all that crap. Go lay down. My dog is trying to come through here and I have a light and he'll like totally destroy this video. But anyways, I found this hat and I thought it was really, really cute. AC/DC. And it has like the little hole in the back so I can totally pull my ponytail through. And I was like, yes! That hat is coming home with mama because that is perfect for when I take my walks. I go through quite a few ball caps because when I walk, I sweat. And then they get that ring. And so I buy ball caps all the time because I love to wear them when I walk. Then I found this, which I thought was super, super cute. I love this. So, of course, it's, your 80s scrunchie. And then they tied one of these on, and this is so cute. So, like, when you wear, like, my hair now, which I wear a lot of ponytails, these would hang in the back. That is adorable to me. I love that this stuff is coming back. I love it. This was all the kind of stuff that was in style when I was, like, 17, 18. And I love that it's all coming back. So, I picked one of those up. And then I'm going to do another try with me where we're going to try Five Below nails, which this was $4. Ooh, that gold's horrible with the light. And then we're going to try Dollar Tree nails and see which ones I like better. So I picked these up, and then that's one of my future let's try with me and see which ones we like best. I'm hoping Dollar Tree's is better, but we'll see. Okay, and then I picked up some new jewelry. I have to say, Five Below has the cutest jewelry. So I'm all about hoops. Again, if you're new here, I'm from the Jersey Shore, living in Pennsylvania. It's a long story, but Jersey Shore is still strong in me. So I think I'll always be like a hoop girl. And I thought these were adorable. The lighting is horrible. I thought those were awesome. And I like these little studs too. So I just thought these were really, really cute. And then I got these, which of course they're hoops, but they're more girly, more dainty. Look how adorable those are with the roses. Ah, I just love those. I think I got more jewelry in here, didn't I? No, that might be it. No, I did. These ones. These ones are everything. Look at those. Like, I'm half tempted to, like, take my hoops out and try these right now. We're just going to do it. We're just going to do it. Because that's just who I am. So let's do it. I love these. Again, these are, like, a total, like, 80s vibe. I love that all this stuff is coming back. I love them. Look. Yeah. Okay, we're going to put them on. We're going to rock these bad boys right in the middle of the video. Yes, ma'am. I love this. I really do. I love that, like, the whole 80s thing is, like, totally coming back. Totally my era. These are adorable. I love them. Love, love, love them. Okay, so those are my jewelry that I bought. Nothing, like, major important. But I bought makeup removers. I mean, we all need makeup remover, right? This is neroli and avocado 60 wet wipes, which I think this was $3, which I usually get these from the Dollar Tree for $1, but you only get 30, so you get double that for $3, which I guess wasn't too bad. So I guess it was more just convenience. It was where I was at. Then I also picked these up for my bedroom as well, and these are the string starlights. They're 6 stars. It's 5 foot in length. They take 2 AA batteries. Of course, batteries aren't included. And I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but the inside has like water and glitter. I think you guys can kind of see it. It has like water and glitter in the inside. So I did pick 2 of these up because I want to string these over my bed. I think this would be so cute and pretty. It's just like and really enhanced fairy lights. I just really love them. So I did pick 2 of them up because I do have a king size bed. So I figured 10 feet of these would be enough. So I did pick up 2 of those. I think they're so stinking adorable. And then the last 2 things that I picked up from Five Below are I love jewelry. I like makeup, and I love sunglasses. I think sunglasses are my absolute favorite thing in the world. I love sunglasses. You will always see me with sunglasses on my head. Always. I love them. So I picked these bad boys up. Yeah. Look how cute. I love them. So I picked those up, and these ones are my absolute favorite. I love these. Oh, they look cute with my earrings. Yes, girl. So I love these. I think these are so stinking adorable. Can you guys see my big light? Look, there's my light. That's why I'm saying, like, woo. I hope that was not like reflecting back at you because I couldn't see it. But these are adorable. I stinking love these, and I love these. So the nice weather is coming. So I think I have like 10 pairs of sunglasses hanging in my car because I just love them. So anyways, the few little things I want to share with you real quick before we jump off of here. I bought some stuff from Amazon, and it all isn't here, but what I do have, I'll just share with you. I am so excited for this. So I'm going to a Comic-Con next month. As a matter of fact, with my best friend, we're going to, it's called Steel City Comic Con. I live close to Pittsburgh, even though I'm a Jersey girl. And there's going to be a lot of celebrities there from The Walking Dead. I am a huge Dead fan, so I had to pick up this t-shirt for the occasion. It's so cool. So anyways, if you can't see the whole thing, it says, "If Daryl dies, we riot." I'm so excited. Like, I really think these 2 things will look really, really cute together. I also picked up one for the one that I'm going to in New Jersey in June, which I'm doing my June meetup on Seaside Heights, which, guys, there's more information for that to come when it gets closer. I'm going to make a whole video about it. But I ordered a Stranger Things tee from Amazon for that as well, but it didn't arrive, which is really weird. But I'm also a big Stranger Things fan, so I'm really excited about that. And then the other thing that I got from Amazon was this camera. It says it's for vlogging purposes, digital camera vlogging. This was an Amazon Prime recommendation, very high reviews. I got it. I tried to use it this morning to make this very video, and I'm not having great luck with it, but it's brand new. I've only had it for a few hours. It's probably me. I'm probably not doing something right, but it has the flip up so you can see yourself, because the more I use my phone, I'm like jamming stuff. So I got a new vlogging camera. So if you guys would like to see a review on this, because I get a lot of questions about the equipment I use, just leave me a comment down below. But that's it for me today, guys. That is my haul. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you guys enjoyed my TikTok inspired Five Below adventure. So until the next time, guys, take care of you. Do what you love. Do it large. Have a great day. I love you. Thanks for being a subby and for all of your support. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.